Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. My name is Faisal, and in this course you are going to learn how to make a digital download website with WordPress. So if you are very beginner and you wanted to create a digital download website with WordPress without any coding skill, without any experience, then you can continue this course. So let's get started. Here is the project details or course details. Our website name, first of all we have to make sure that we have a nice website or business name, and our website name is Ready Store, and our business type to sells digital product like sells ready themes, plugins or Shopify store, and there will be home page, about page, contact page, and Shopify store theme category or store category, Ecommerce store categories, and plugins and apps. Here is the basic summary of this website or of this project. And before you start this project, you have to connect our domain with hosting, and you have to install the WordPress in our hosting. In this course I am not going to use my main domain, so I am going to use a subdomain. And if you have a question how to create a subdomain, then you can check out the video I have shared another video link in the video description where you can learn how to create a subdomain. And in this project we are going to use domain from Namecheap and hosting for Hostinger. So if you wanted to register your domain, then you can register it from Namecheap, and for hosting you can use Hostinger. I have shared all the relevant link in the video description. Okay, so now we are going to learn how to install WordPress in our hosting. Then we will start initial setup of our WordPress dashboard. Then we will create pages, categories, install all the required theme plugins, and set up the initial interface. Okay, so now let's start to learn how to install WordPress. Okay, to do this, first you have to log in your Hostinger dashboard, and when you log in your Hostinger dashboard you will find this screen. Then you have to click on here to find your website in the website list, and you can see that there is my website ecommerce So I am going to click on this domain name or website name, and because we already connected our domain with the hosting. Okay, so now we are going to click on ecommerce then click on the website, then click WordPress. Now click on the install WordPress. So easy. Then we have to add our website name. So I'm going to add my website name, Ecommerce Solution Agency. Okay, then here is my email. Then I'm going to add my username, then password. So I have added my website title, administrator email, username and password. Then click next, then click install. We have to wait a little bit time to install it. Wow, our WordPress installed in our website. Now we are ready to design or create our website as our requirement. So I hope you understand everything very clearly. In the next tutorials we are start building our website. So see you there. Have a nice day. Bye bye.